Guys, so I did the garage floor cheap way. Did not do epoxy. What I did is a concrete stain. This was just regular unfinished or unsealed concrete before, so I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money and stress on epoxy. So what I did, I saw another YouTuber try this and it seemed to work pretty well. So I used concrete stain. I used Behr from Home Depot. This was OSHA Black. And then once I laid this down and it was wet, I threw down the decorative chips and glitter. So I used silver glitter. Then I let that dry for about an hour, hour and a half. And then I used the Behr wet sealer look to lock everything in. So that's how these chips, if you can see, they don't move. The glitter is locked in. So it's just water right there. Over here, I just wiped it down a little bit, but you can see it's somewhat glossy. It's not like maybe epoxy glossy, and I used a brush. You could use a roller for the concrete stain. I would not use a roller for the wet sealer because it'll pick up on the roller any of the flakes that didn't lock in to the wet concrete stain. But as you can see, there's just water over there. I mean, it came out almost like an epoxy look without the epoxy. And I did this for under 150 bucks. Whereas just one pack of the epoxy is going to cost you 200 for this size of a garage, 2-car garage. That's just dirt over there. I didn't wipe it down yet. So that's it. That's really all it took. I think the concrete stain was like 36 bucks. Same with the wet sealer. I used one wet sealer for 400 square feet, 2 concrete stain gallons, and glitter, and 1.5 packs of decorative chips. So that's like 19 bucks, so like 38, 36 times 2, and then 36 again in glitter I had. So it's like right around 160, 170, 150, 175 bucks. But that's it. That's it, guys. It's really just transforms your garage without spending a whole lot of stress. This took me, if I combined it all, it would take me 1 weekend to do.